care it, you've got to water it. To keep and care it, you've got to water it. I've been traveling all over this world, yeah.
Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't.
Hi guys, so it's summer 2023 episode 3, and this weekend I'm at an Airbnb, as you can see, with my best friend, my mom, my cousins, and my sister and her friend. So you know, it's gonna be fun, yeah. And we have like a whole weekend plan of activities to do, lots of content for you guys. And I literally brought my tripod because yeah, content creator stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning because I'm going to change into my pajamas right now and just go relax. So probably tomorrow morning you guys will see me, or if we're doing like any games or something tonight, then I'll vlog that, but probably tomorrow.
Next morning.
Hi guys, so it's the next morning. I just woke up. It's like what's a little bit after 7, yeah. Everybody else is basically sleeping. I can't find my mom, but I think she went out for a walk because she did say she was gonna do that. I don't know, but I guess I'm on breakfast duty or something this morning, so I'm gonna go make breakfast for everybody, and then I'm going to bathe and get ready and whatever, because we're going to the bird sanctuary place today and the river, I think. So yeah, but I'm gonna go make pancakes right now, I guess. So yeah.
Moments later.
Okay guys, so okay guys, so I'm ready. We're ready. Yeah, so we're leaving like soon. We're going to do bird sanctuary place all the way in Mobay. So yeah, everybody's ready, I think. I heard my mom saying, guys, ready. So let me show you guys the feet. Can you Jesus? Yeah, so crop top from Shein, skirt from Justice. I've had this for like 7 years. I don't know what it's fitting. Bag from Shein. Now we're in shoes and waist beads. Yeah. Hey guys. Blocking out her face as usual. Fun version. Said he wants to say hi to the vlog.
What's up, man? We about to go to a bird looking at thing, huh?
Yo, cut the accent, bro.
We both look upon two bird that fly, you see me?
Yeah. I feel like hello.
She wears and go low. The place like a blood drum. Anything, something with a grab something. Anything, I just want to pick up something. Anything, watch how I go grab something. Anything, run with it, run with it, run with it, run with it. Pick up something, start to run with it, run with it, run.
Medication, your medication makes me high. Just be patient. I'm like a patient trying to find levitation. Run your fingers down my spine. Elevation. Your medication makes me high.
I fell in love with a sativa. Where you
been nice to meet you. And it took so long to reach you. Obsessed with your features. You got all different flavors. You got that loud beat speakers. Your best friend Keisha know how to knock 'em out their speakers. Like that Louis 13, but she
Exciting. I'm starting to appreciate nature more. So we're leaving now and we're going to go to the beach or the river, I don't know. But the birds never like me, guys. Like, I have to sit down there waiting for 30 minutes. And I'm like him. I'm like,
princess, is he?
I thought I was a bird whisperer. I'll see you guys at the beach place or the river or wherever we're going next.
Get only for bits, man.
Later.
Yo, we were supposed to go to the river, but that never worked out because we got to the bird sanctuary place too late, and the river closed at a certain time, and it fired too. So yeah, I'm vlogging. So we are just going to the pool on the property to chill until like in the night, and then we'll leave and then probably play board games in the night. So yeah, but tomorrow though we're gonna go to the beach and the river. So
4 moments later.
yo, we just came from the pool and that pool was very underwhelming. Like, I didn't even vlog it because we didn't stay in there for 15 minutes. The pool had here and there. The pool felt like the whole of the community pissed in there. There was a bunch of stuff in there and we just plus there were a lot of people and no, literally a big clump of black hair, Vicky. We're ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einstein. Mission start the countdown. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Later that night.
Girl, wind up on your body, girl. Wine like it's a carnival. Can we love you way? Oh, you wine for me. Girl, you wine is so good.
Make me mash up the place. I got this thing on a batcha. Shake it up like a shaker.
My girl, don't rush, take time, bend over, cut your body for the ice cream wine. Look back for the money, if you know say you're fine. If you not have no money, tell them don't waste your time. She just
freak bitch, throw that ass on the floor. Now get low, get low, get low, get low.
Go to work, make it twerk. I'm a dog, I'm a flirt. Throw it back, make it clap. If you scared, go to church. Her neck, her back, she a star. Her milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Watch.
Are you done talking? Are you done? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. Are you done talking? Are you done? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. Hey. Are you done talking? Are you done? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. I don't wanna be a player no more.
Next. The next morning.
Hi guys, so good morning. Today's agenda we'll be going to the Cove and then we're gonna go to this river. I really don't know the name of it, but I think it's just one of those rivers along the White River. Is that free river? Cause we're broke.
Grown people should never laugh.
So yeah, we're gonna go to the Cove and then we're gonna go to that river, and that's the pre for the day. And then later, me and my friend are gonna go to my other friend's house for a link up vibe. But that's later on in the evening. So yeah, I'm gonna get myself ready now. I literally was the first one to wake up this morning. Like, I don't know it's what. I think it's because I started waking up early to go to work, so it's not hard for me to wake up anymore. Because I used to be like not a morning person. I'm still not a morning person though. Because if I could choose to sleep instead of being awake, I would definitely choose sleeping. But it's not as hard for me to wake up anymore. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a shower now, do my skincare, put on my swimsuit and my whatever, and then eat some food. Or then we are gonna go. But the latest that we have to check out of the Airbnb by 10, and the Cove opens at 9, so we're trying to be like there basically as soon as it's open, you know, so that we get the place to ourselves. So yeah, Cove isn't too far from the Airbnb. It's really not far at all. It's like 1 minute drive from literally just down the road. Also guys, like I've been trying my best to get content from yesterday, so hopefully it's enough content for the video. I think it's gonna be good still because we other things. So yeah, and I feel like today is a way more packed day than yesterday was, so there'll be a lot more of that content. Anyways, as I said, I'm gonna go take a shower and I'll be back. Oh, I just finished getting ready and we're cleaning up the place because we have to leave at like, what time is this actually? We're supposed to leave.
Give me the
to get to the...
No.
Should not allow you to talk to me like this.
Give me the toothpaste.
Okay, please.
Give me the toothpaste.
Okay, please.
Oh!
No, with it.
Oh, it's not one time. Make sure that I'm reaching there.
It's definitely
Other than the part where I'm in the sunlight, and my skin doesn't look like crap.
Hi guys,
sure
so
reaching
listen to me, then don't come in the camera.
I didn't know
I'm
you
gonna
were
do over
making
the
a
whole
YouTube
part.
video.
Anyways, yes, so we're ready to leave. Basically, we're welcome the people out there, so and we're cleaning up the place because we have to check out at 10.
Yeah.
So we need to leave. But the place is mostly clean still, I think. I'm ready. I was just wasting time. I'm gonna go make TikToks now because that's literally what we do. We wouldn't want to waste time. But yeah, we're going to the Cove and to the river later, so I'm gonna vlog everything. So hopefully it's enough content because I've been vlogging from yesterday non-stop. Well, we kind of stop in the night a little bit, but it wasn't really much going on anyways. So yeah, the skin is really glowing though, and the hair is hairy, and the skin is skinny, and the fit. Carry this little bit. Wait, let me show you guys the fit. This is the fit for the beach and the river. Crop top, jorts, green swimsuit, Crocs as usual. Love this necklace so much. You see me wear it all the time, and I'm gonna put on my waist beads. Maybe. Then you can hear them out there. They're very loud. Don't know if you can hear it on the camera.
There's a full stop. Are your phone connected?
Hello? Yeah, he's ready.
Left, right?
The terrain for this property is quite interesting. I don't understand it. Is it for like flood prevention or something?
It's just how the natural terrain of the land, so they have to allow the water to run up.
Give him a little blow. It's kind of heavy. So, y'all can just let me drive out there.
I want to go to the supermarket and get something to drink for the river car.
Dad, you don't know what you're talking about. I try to set me up for failure. What's that? Okay, I try to set me up for.
Look at guys, look how we're empty.
Wow.
This is the rocks
Up there, sir.
Up there says a little reef. It's lovely.
How long I haven't been in a beach vlog. What's up?
What's up, shorty?
I'm here, you know. The vibes
We're
nice.
at the cove. We're going up to the cliff because I came here before, but I didn't even vlog it when I came here. So yeah, we're going up to the cliff, guys.
Medication, your medication makes me high. Just be patient. I'm like a patient trying to find levitation. Run your fingers down my spine, elevation. The medication makes me high.
I fell in love with a sativa. Where you been? Nice to meet you. Headed to Solana, reach up. Obsessed with your features. You got all different flavors. You got that loud B speakers. Your best friend Keisha know how to knock 'em out their sneakers. Like that Louis 13, but she nothing like my ex though. She remind me of gelato.
We are leaving now and going to the river. I mean, beach is pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna enjoy the river more though. Adventure. I feel like Dora. I literally feel like Dora. Exploring.
Anything that you might need, I got inside for you.
What would you have sell up on CBS Stuff back question.
I'm videoing. Ready?
The ears are real, the petty is real. I drop my hands for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia. Belinda Felicia. She gave me twice. I didn't use her voice. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 mil, I'm leader. Was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should call it with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I smoke, touching my shades, you wouldn't believe it. I got skaters on my mind. Some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind. With my friends.
Later.
She just heard it.
This was like
Bumbo clock, watch a mermaid, a sword, one. She come on, blood sport. Alive, Jesus Christ. How was she gone?
Craig, you don't have to do the dare.
Yeah, you can drink.
Oh, you can.
Him done.
What that? He's on food.
Is the first person to have their first kiss take a shot? That's what it says.
What is that?
The first person to have their first kiss take a shot.
when you had it first.
Just because.
Wait, no. What's this guy? He doesn't drink.
Oh.
I do it all. I will do every single one.
Okay.
Come. Well, what the number?
I didn't mix it up.
How many questions?
1 to 4.
Left?
No.
It's like 1 to 40. But
Just
40
pick a number. Give me
40 can take already and he's take a shot.
It was me.
Okay. Give me 11.
11 is.
No. Why don't you put your mouth over it? Alright. Your turn. Yes, your turn. 6.
6 says. Let the person to your left go through your Instagram search story.
I don't have Wi-Fi.
Oh.
The West has
Somebody
farm.
get your Wi-Fi.
West?
No, that's what I'm saying. Somebody give you the
There's no
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Am I on a service?
choose another number? You have it. I believe in you. Yes, sir, sir. This is why I married you.
That's it, bro.
I want to marry you.
Picture right here.
This is why I married you.
Alright, I'm going to take a shot right here next time.
This is why I married you.
That bird. It doesn't have that.
It just tastes disgusting.
Hi guys, so it's editing Sarah and I realized that I didn't do an outro for this video, so this is me doing a little outro. Don't mind how I look, by the way, I just woke up. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more.